Myanmar, Liberia, USA. Otherwise, there's no inches. No, 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 there's no inches. No Inches DIY. Hello, welcome to No Inches DIY. The other day, I was a bit panicked because of the shutdown, so I raced down to the hardware shop, Bunnings in this case, and I bought myself the Ryobi 1600 watt plunge router. I do have a project in mind for this. I've got some Jarrah. A mate of mine delivered it the other day, and on the way here, he had a little car crash that cost him some money. So I said, that's all right, I'll use that Jarrah for a spectacular project. So the spectacular project I have in mind is making a new set of rails and legs for this glass table. So I saw a video where a young lady made this beautiful Japanese jointed table frame. I'd like to do it, but unlike that girl on the YouTube, I don't have all the fancy tools. So I'm going to use this router, a circular saw and a hand saw to try to recreate the same thing at home. So that's why I bought it, and that's why I'll need to unbox it right now. All right, I'm going to draw these open. Let's have a look what's inside it. What have we here? That could potentially be part of the dust extraction. The fence. We got in this other piece of cardboard. Oop, dropped it. That looks like the collets. We've got a couple of machine screws. Oh, a new set of bushes. I didn't realise this was going to be a bushed machine. Little wheel. Oh, a router blade. That there, that looks like the 12.7mm collet. And that's it back. Right. Now these look like the spacers to put the fence on. Now here's the beautiful thing. It's got some kind of adjustment there. Trigger. They're the screws that adjust your fence. There's your different things for your depth gauge. That appears to be made out of plastic, so I don't know how trustworthy that is. But for the price I paid, it should be good enough to do the job. Or the jobs. I'm going to have a few little furniture jobs around the house, so we'll see how it goes. Now, we haven't yet reached the end. We have a manual. And we have that, I'm not exactly sure what that is, and the spanner. And I notice on the box nearly everything was in millimeters, but they called this a wrench. So they almost translated everything into English. All right, I gnawed my way into this like a animal that gnaws. Like a rat, a cage rat. All right, I got it. Okay, so this is the, oh, still putting up resistance. All right.
Finally.
This one has the 12.7mm shank. Goes into this collet here. I believe, I don't know, it came with this highly greased one. It's absolutely covered in grease. This has got the 6.35 millimeter shaft. I'm not exactly sure how to do that, but it has become obvious what this is for. What you do, this, you take your plastic face off here, this bit goes in there, and then this bit here then bolts onto there, and that's the 2 bolts that you're supplied with are for that, and that is the dust extraction system. Now, working with Jarrah, it's a nasty material. You don't want to breathe in that dust. So I'll make that a personal goal not to do that. I've worked it out. Whoever said I was a bit thick, they were wrong. This, I believe, through my beliefs, is something to do with cutting out circles. I believe this is some kind of router attachment that allows you to attach this to the end, put that on, that's a compass. That becomes the point of your compass. And I suspect that this might be something similar. An outside wheel that when you go around in a circle, it helps you stay on track. So I've basically got everything, and it's got some bushes. So that means that it isn't a brushless one. That's probably why it was so cheap. So it's all out of the box. I understand all the parts. So now I don't have any excuse but to go and use it.